Hey guys, welcome. I'm Arnav and you are watching yet another episode of Top Apps for the month of November. So Top Apps is basically a series where we suggest cool and useful applications that you can download on your Android smartphone. So without wasting any more further time, let's dive in. Alright, so the first application on the list is called as Dual Camera Record. So you might have heard Samsung phones having a feature called as Director Mode, through which you can record videos from all the lenses in that smartphone simultaneously. But for those of you who don't have a Samsung smartphone, it's a bit of a tricky task because you might not have that feature built into your camera app. But with this application called as Dual Camera Record, you can record videos from the front and back facing cameras simultaneously at one stretch. And this is a lifesaver for people who are vloggers. The application's interface is very simple. You have a record button, you have a filters button, and you also have a flash button. The filters comes at a cost, but if you have the pro version of the application, you can use some filters that may give the video a different look. But apart from that, you also have a flash button through which you can turn and off the flash, which is useful for darker environments. But overall, it's a very simple application through which you can record videos from your front and back facing cameras simultaneously. So yeah, this is a really great application called as Dual Camera Record. The link to download this application is in the description below. Do try it and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. The next app on the list is called as Taskbar, and this also works like it sounds like. It basically enables you to have a taskbar on your Android smartphone. Taskbars are usually very useful, and that's present on Windows PCs if you use one. So if you press on the Windows icon, you get a dock which has a lot of applications that gets recommended to. So this is basically like that type of an application which enables you a taskbar for using on your Android smartphone. All you need to do is to open the app and enable a few permissions that you need to enable to make the app work or make the taskbar work. And after that, you will have a small arrow. If you tap on that, it will show the whole taskbar. Now, if you swipe the taskbar from left to right, it will show all the recently opened applications. But apart from that, if you tap on this icon, it will open the expanded taskbar where you can see all the applications installed on your smartphone. But apart from that, if you tap and hold on the same icon, you can also adjust some settings that you need to adjust in order to make it suit your needs. So yeah, this is basically a taskbar application that is very useful for people who have custom setups, home screen setups on your Android smartphone. And yeah, generally it is also very useful for people who don't like app drawers and stuff. So yeah, the app's name is called as Taskbar. It works exactly like the Windows taskbar. The bugs are very less. You have to enable a few permissions in order for the app to work, but apart from that, it's a really great application and it is very useful too. The link to download is in the description below. Try it out and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Next one on the list is my favorite one of them all, and it is called as SMS Backup and Restore. Now, while you buy a new smartphone, the most annoying thing is to transfer the data from your old phone to your new phone. And yes, photos and videos can be easy. The apps can also be easy. And yes, your WhatsApp and Telegram chats can also be easy because they use cloud system. But to transfer the SMS and call logs is a bit of a hit and a miss because not all apps do it very smoothly. I used Vivo's Easy Share to actually transfer things like photos and videos. But when I tried to transfer the SMS using that application, it completely failed. I also tried many other applications that said that it can restore and back up the SMS and call logs, but it didn't work. But this application finally helped me to transfer all the call logs and SMS. So SMS Backup and Restore is a very simple application to use. You have to install the application on your old as well as new phone, and then you have to open it up in your old phone, and you can back up your call logs and messages onto Google Drive, Dropbox, or either create a local backup. I would recommend you to use Google Drive because it doesn't take a lot of space. So after doing that, you have to open the same application on your new phone and then choose where you have actually backed up the data. If it was Google Drive, just tap on the Google Drive and sign in that particular account. And if you tap on Restore, boom, automatically all the messages that was backed up in your old phone will be restored in your new phone. So yes, it's a very useful application for the people who really care about SMS backup and also call logs backup. Try it out and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Alright, so before moving ahead, if you've come this far watching this video, then don't forget to hit the like button because it takes a lot of efforts in bringing you these kinds of videos where we have to research a bit and bring a few applications that's really useful for you guys. So yeah, a like would be recommended for the efforts taken to make this video possible. And by the way, share this video with all of your friends because it has a bunch of useful applications that's very useful. And also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel because it helps me motivate, create better content. Anyways, let's get back to the video. The fourth app on the list is basically a note-taking application, and it is called as Note to Self. And it is quite evident with Google Keep Notes, which I was using until I found this application called as Note to Self. So it's basically a note-taking application which has chat-like UI. So it is kind of similar to WhatsApp. You can create different groups of notes wherein which it looks like contacts that appear on your chat. And if you tap on that, you can take text notes as well as you can take audio notes as well. It's a simple simple note-taking application that looks like a chat app. And yeah, for the people who use regular note-taking applications like Keep Notes, you can try this app. You will really love the interface, and it is also interesting to use something that looks fresh, right? So yeah, the app's name is called as Note to Self. The link is down in the description below. Check it out and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. All right, so the last and final app on the list is kind of cool and interesting, and this is for the people who are really bored and annoyed of seeing the charging animations on your smartphone. And yes, Xiaomi has an interesting charging animation. Realme also has a good charging animation, but for the people who have phones like mine where the charging animations is not really there, you can use the application called as Pika. This is basically an application that has a library of charging animations to choose from. You can also use the same charging animations that you can find on Xiaomi and Realme smartphones, but apart from that, it has a library of charging animations to choose from, which some are really creative and interesting and cool, in fact. So all you need to do is to enable some permissions in order to make this whole thing work. And yes, this will not consume any battery while running in the background. I've checked that. But yeah, when you plug it for charging, the animation appears, and some animations really look interesting and cute as well. So yeah, this is for the people who are really bored of seeing the usual charging animations. You can try different charging animations that you can choose from the large library that's available in the application called as Pika. The link to download this application is in the description below. Do download and check it out and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And there you have it. These are some of the top applications for the month of November, and let me know your favorite application in the comment section below. And my favorite one in this list is SMS Backup and Restore, just because it's use case scenarios and it was very useful for me. Anyways, do drop a like for the efforts taken to make this video possible, and also share this video with all of your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel because it motivates us to create better content for you guys. And also press the bell icon to get notified for our upcoming videos. So this is me, Arnav, signing off. Talk to you guys in the next one. Bye bye.